So YouTube, back with another video. It's your boy Fastlane. Y'all already know we got the Accord out here. Just washed it up. Hello, water spots on it, sadly. See that? It's because whatever. Looks much better than what it used to. But anyways, you already know what the title, by the title, what kind of video this is. This is the review on the intake that I installed on this car about like a month and a half ago. So far, straight up, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I love it. I have no complaints about it. Off the hood real quick and the hood strap. There's a lot of stuff this car has got done too in that month and a half, which one is a subwoofer and a head unit. But anyways, we don't want to talk about that in this video. Here's the cold air intake. You guys are here, review for it. So basically, this intake has to be the best investment that I did for this car. Literally the best. It gives it sound, performance, and when I mean it gives it performance, it actually gives performance. Because before, this car lacked in the RPM, so it would not pick up whatsoever. Now the car kind of picks up, at least gained 6 horsepower max, around there, maybe more, because my old intake filter was hella clogged up. So if you guys have a car that has never been the filter, the drop-in filter has never changed, voila, quick easy power. While this is a cold air, so it gets cold air from the bottom because there's a hole, also to there. While I still have the tubing for here, so it comes up. You guys get what I mean. It goes all the way throughout. But one great factor about this intake is that it did help the gas mileage by not a lot, or by not a little. Actually, no, it was a little bit, not a lot at all. Because I couldn't tell at first, but until I started realizing, like, hold up, this car is a little bit better on gas mileage. Most likely the MPG went up like 3 or 4, 5, most likely getting like 30. I'm gonna say around getting 30 MPGs. Now, all the clips that I'm about to show you guys of the POV, those are all like pre-recorded, so enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and knock out the bell. Hopefully the audio isn't corrupted by this wind of some sort, but you guys get what I mean. But thank you, guys. I'm gonna run the footage right now of the POV. Get started. The car is already warmed up. Turn off my radio and everything so I don't get copyrighted. Fix my mirrors. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully the view is good. I'm using my GoPro. Bought this thing for 300 bucks. Barely used it. So y'all better subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ooh, look at these roads, guys. These roads out here are so bad. It's terrible. Like, it's really bad out here. Car is warmed up. Let me do a quick pull for you guys. You guys hear that? When this car hits around, I'm gonna say 4,000 RPM, not a little bit less, it's like it gets to this one range and it sounds so damn good. It's not even funny how good it sounds. Look at the induction noise. Watch this. Try it. Holy smokes. I would drop a gear. Oh, it sounds good. Let's put the window down for you guys, so you guys can get a quick view of how it sounds with the window down. Take a right turn, yeah. You ready? Oh my god, it sounds so good. I'm not trying to... One thing, guys, about this car, I don't know how much my oil level is at. I always check it. This car majorly burns a lot of oil, if you guys don't know. My car. It's not for all cars, but this car burns oil. I had a 7-gen Accord, and it barely burned any oil. It kind of sucks. That little thing is A5, yeah. For you guys real quick. Man, this footage is about to sound so good when I edit it out and all. Anyways, like and subscribe. If this video gets to a certain like, I'm not gonna say what because you guys always succeed. I'll bring you guys another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.